months ago, I applied for the Discover It card and got approved. In today's video, I am going to do an unboxing of the Discover It card and a full review, pros and cons. If this sounds interesting to you, stick around. The subject of today's video is the Discover It card. First, we'll do the full unboxing of the Discover It card, showing exactly what it looks like once you get approved, how everything comes in through the mail. After that, I'll do a video review about my thoughts about the Discover It card. What's more, I have a full review of this credit card offer. I have 13 pros of the Discover It card and 4 cons. Not only does this review article have the 13 benefits and the 4 drawbacks of having the Discover It card, the video you're watching now is also embedded. So if you'd like to see the full review of the Discover It card, unboxing, video review, and written review, just click right over here.
I never had a Discover credit card, so I thought I would apply and see if I could get approved. I had good credit, but not very good credit, and I was happy to see that they approved my application. So after waiting about a week, this came in the mail. It's more like a small package rather than an envelope. For me, it's a lot of fun to open something that I receive in the mail. The Discover credit card company puts more effort in packaging than with other credit card companies. You feel like you received something truly special. Here they just keep it simple. They say, "Thank you for choosing Discover." Just like most credit cards, Discover will send you the card member agreement. This is how my Discover It card looks up close. I wasn't exactly sure if the color would be gold or rose gold. As it turns out, it is a light, shimmery gold. I like the way it looks. This is what the Discover It card looks like from the back. It really has a very interesting design. The majority of all Discover credit cards start with the number 6011. The funny thing is that 2 days after applying for the Discover It card online, this came in the mail for me. What I remember from applying online, there were more color options. There's only one shade of blue here, but I think there were about 3 online. So if you apply online, there are more options for choosing a color online.
What I really like about the Discover It card, my favorite perk, is that for new card holders, all your cash rewards get doubled at the end of your 12th month. So if I were to make purchases throughout the year and I earn $300 cash back, I will get that cash back and I'll have access to that after the billing cycle is complete. But then at the very end of my first year, my anniversary year, I will get a double bonus. If I earn $300, at the end of the year, they give me another $300. One thing you can do to get more cash back rewards is to buy gift cards. And I would only buy gift cards for things that you need anyways. So a good example of this would be an Amazon gift card or gift cards to your favorite restaurants. So Q1 and Q2, Q1 was gas stations and Q2 was grocery stores. If that store or gas station sells gift cards, you can purchase them on your Discover It card, and then you will earn a 10% bonus. Just so you know, this doesn't always work. I haven't tried it at the supermarket yet, but I was buying gift cards at gas stations. So what happened was, the first gas station I went to, the woman pretty much shut me down. She said, "We have gift cards, but we accept cash only." So I was very lucky at the second gas station. The clerk had no problem ringing up my gift card. I will repeat the process when the second quarter starts, which is very shortly from now, and I will try to buy gift cards at the grocery store. I did not think of this myself. I actually got that tip from Ask Sebi. He has done this and he explained how to do it, and everything he said was correct. Not every place will do it for you, but there are a lot that will. One of the things I really like about Discover is their customer service. It is outstanding. Everything you see in their commercials is true. It's like you're talking to a friend, and they're very knowledgeable. I had a couple of issues that I needed to call on, and they handled them no problem. Everything I needed, they took care of. And that's a really nice perk. It's one of the reasons I like the Discover It card over other credit cards. I basically prefer cashback credit cards to all other reward cards. And the reason for that is there's a lot of flexibility with cashback reward cards. My favorite cashback credit cards are, of course, the Discover It card. Then there are two that I have that I really like. First, it's Capital One. I love the Capital One company. It's just about as good with customer service as, at least in my experience, as Discover It has. And I like Quicksilver. It's 1.5% cash back on everything. And then the other card that I really like is the Citi Double Cash, because you even earn a little bit more with the Citi Double Cash. 1% on your purchases, and then 1% they give you back when you pay your bill. Many people also have the Chase Freedom card, which is very similar to the Discover It card with 5% cash back category bonuses, and the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, which is 1.5% cash back, just like the Capital One Quicksilver credit card. I highly recommend the Discover It card. Even though I've been a member only for 3 months, I've already seen the extreme amount of value being a card holder is. They give some of the best rewards of any cashback credit card, and the redemption of rewards is so easy. So I would recommend taking a closer look at the Discover It card and compare them to other cashback credit cards to see if this is the card right for you.